Right, so I'm back. This is part 5, right? So perfect. As I continue, we have what we call the fact and the opinion. People are probably asking themselves, why is it fact and opinion? There's a reason behind it. I don't want to be rude or anything. Sure. What is a fact? What is a fact? And then what is an opinion? Right? A fact is something, I think it's something, that can be proven. It can be proven, right? And an opinion is anything that is a suggestion, anything that comes from your head, how you think or what you think, right? That's what it is, right? So this one is something that is true, and this is something that you're thinking, your suggestion, or let me just say, you're thinking. You're thinking. It could be wrong, it could be right, but that's an opinion right? I hope I'm making sense. So it's what you think, you're thinking. Now you're probably asking yourself, why am I asking about fact and opinion, right? It's because it links with the comprehension. It links a lot with the comprehension. Why? Because now, hey, if you notice when I was teaching, a technical question or technical understanding, right? Those type of questions, they are factual answers. They're facts only. Why? Because you can't change the fact that a full stop stops a sentence. You can't say full stop, it lists items. It's a fact that a full stop is a full stop. It stops a sentence. Hence, I'm saying technical questions require facts. If you don't have facts, then you're going to get it wrong. That's why I put facts. So which means then you must know that technical questions require facts. Opinions, this is what you were taught in primary school. Do you think Bob the builder was supposed to marry the second wife? Yes, because it's gonna make him more richer and richer and richer. That's an opinion. It's your own thinking. So that's why it applies with it goes with each general understanding question. Sure. Do you understand what I'm saying? When you see a general question, you can give your opinion, but you must support it. Give an opinion, but support it. But now here, you must give a fact. If they ask you what is the purpose of a full stop, you must tell them what a full stop does. Exactly as it is. Don't say, try and come up with your own theories from space or something. Give exactly as it is. I hope I'm making sense. So that's the whole fact, wara thing. I hope everybody is with me there. So, sure. So now I'm gonna tap into something that made me to create this whole scenario, right? Sure. So this is how we're gonna do it. We have 2 words in English that give learners a problem, and now I'm going to tackle those words. I think the whole nation will rest assured right now. I've said this previously and I'm going to say it again. There's a word called discuss, and then there's a word called comment. You see, when you see these words, people just skip the questions, they start having headaches, they start thinking about other things, Guys, to discuss, it just means give facts, right? To comment, it means give an opinion. Thank you. I saw some of you commenting on the YouTube channel. So if you can comment on my YouTube channel, then you can comment on your paper. Comment, give an opinion. Discuss, you give facts. Let's discuss someone right now, Nelson Mandela. You're going to give facts only. But if we were to say, let's comment about what he did. Anyone can say he did robberies. Anyone can say he did this. Anyone can say he's a hero. I'm making an example, by the way. Right? So, discuss means give facts. Comment means give an opinion. So once you see the word comment or discuss, you know that they're saying I must give facts about something. What am I trying to say? Give facts. Why did I say facts is related to? It's related to technical questions. What is opinions related to? General questions. Sure. What does that tell you then? Every time you see, oh no, I'm lying. Sometimes when you see the word discuss, you must think of a technical question. There's a possibility of a technical question. And every time, okay, that's why now it's every time. Every time you see the word comment, it is a general question. It's a question that requires you to give an opinion and just support it, then you get 3 marks. I hope I'm making sense right there. Hence I had to dwell on this. Now we have a problem again in South Africa. Critically discuss, critically comment. It's the same thing. Hey guys, this is so easy. Critically, discuss, is the same as saying discuss E1. What is the examiner trying to do? The examiner is trying to distract your thinking in the exam. So when you see critically discuss, cancel critically and work with discuss. When you see discuss, good shot, continue with the question and give facts. Because now, if when you go and look at this critically, it will confuse you. Critically and discussing is the same thing, because when you are critically doing something, you are going deeper into assessing, you are going deeper, you are focusing on it. But that's the same thing. It's the same thing here. So what did the examiner use? He used what we call I forgot that word, but it will come back. English runaway. Sharp. He used something which I'm going to talk about in paper 2. Critically and discuss. It's almost the same thing. When they say critically comment, guys, critically comment. When they say critically comment, they are saying to you, discuss. When they say critically comment, they are basically telling you to discuss. But what they say critically comment so that they can confuse you with this comment, and then right now you don't know whether it's a technical question or a general question, and you start getting it wrong. So when you see critical comment, just know that they're saying you must discuss. What is critical? Critically means you must criticize defects, not opinions. So that's why I'm saying critical discuss and discuss is the same thing, but critical comment and discuss is the same thing. I hope I'm making sense. Well, replay this video over and over again, because once you miss it here, you've missed 30 marks in the comprehension. Thank you very much. Alright guys, now just to wrap it all up, right? If they say to you, for example, I'm just going to try and make this practical. Discuss the rhetorical question paragraph 5, right? What has to happen now is that they say discuss, give facts, right? Which effects do you know about the rhetorical question? It's what I told you. So immediately when they say give facts about the rhetorical question or any component of the technical question, it could be a punctuation mark, it could be a rhetorical question, single line, paragraph, it could be whatever. It could be anything, conclusion or whatsoever. When you go to what I told you, the crunch notes, and you say a rhetorical question does what? Oh, it makes somebody curious, you can't put it here. It makes the reader curious. Alright, what else does it do? It influences the reader's emotions or something, right? Sure. Discuss. That's what you say. From there, from just these 2 sentences, they have to award you with those marks. The only thing you could do, your third sentence could just be you saying something, being summative about it or summarizing it in a way and saying, whatever you want to say, anything that you want to say, like you do on the social media platforms when you post good content and you say it's not good content and you comment with paragraphs that are useless, then you can also do the same thing. Perfect. Right. Right. Next. Now I'm teaching. If this question can change. They could say, discuss the comma. When you have to go to the components of the technical question, know what does the comma do, then write it down. The comma does this. The comma does this. It lists. It creates a pause. Then you say whatever, like you do on Instagram, like you do on our YouTube channel, exactly like you do. Then write that. They'll give you marks for which you can see space. Sharp. Perfect. Now, the other ideology that I want us to go into right now, there's a word called assess. I want to discuss that word and also the word implications that I wrap up this tutorial. Right? Sharp. There's a word called assess. They'll say assess, assess, whatever. So once you see this word called assess, there's a lot of words. They can say explain, they can say comment, but I'm just only going to focus on the words that give learners a problem or that are a challenge. So assess, when you answer this question, you must do this. Let me see. You must outline the good, tell us the good. Okay. Then you tell us the bad. Oh, sorry. Tell us the bad, then make a decision. I hope I'm making sense. You tell us the good side of whatever they're asking you, the bad side of it, and then make a decision. Assess semesters. Tell us the good about semesters, the bad about semesters, then make a decision whether you're with us or not. Simple. That's assess. 3 marks, 3 marks for this, 1 mark for this, 1 mark for that. Oh my god, and 1 mark for the other, then you make a decision. Right? Then you make a decision. Right. Next, we're talking now about implications. Implications, guys, it comes from the word imply. Ne? The word imply. What does this guy imply? Ne? So, yeah, it just means that you give the literal meaning. It means that I was saying something in another way, and when you must try and bring it back into line. So, yeah, they're basically saying give a literal or direct meaning. Ne? Direct meaning. When they say give the implications, tell us what are we implying by doing 1, 2, 3. Ne? Tell us what are we implying when we are saying 1, 2, 3. What do we mean? You understand? If I say you look like a rat today, someone can say what do you imply? It means what am I actually saying? So when I must be able to see what the writer wrote and try and bring it back on track, literally. That's what implications mean. Perfect. If there's any questions, guys, you're just gonna drop in the YouTube comment section. Vele, you guys are always dissing us. Vele, you guys are always hating, and we don't care. We're always gonna deliver the best content in South Africa. From me, your boy, K-Pro ATM. I'm out.